You know the physical toll of the grind, months swallowed by isolation, buried under erratic piles of journals, chasing arguments through a maze of highlighters and exhaustion. Then comes the paralysis of the blank page, where attempting to organize that mountain of data into a coherent structure feels entirely impossible. But what if you could bypass the chaos entirely, trading the slow decay of traditional drafting for a highly calibrated, accelerated ecosystem? Enter the dual-engine paradigm, a localized workflow built to operate at superhuman velocity. It starts with the ammo drop, securing your entire digital environment with raw empirical evidence before the first word is even written. From this foundation, the engines synthesize your literature, anchoring every claim to a clickable inline citation in real time. And before the screen even cools, that synthesized text folds into a dynamic, publication-ready conceptual framework. The ecosystem scales instantly, digesting raw interview transcripts into sorted themes and core quotes, while simultaneously distilling massive survey datasets into a structured academic narrative. What traditionally demanded months of manual coding and statistical translation now emerges as a completely mapped, logically sound methodological blueprint, pulling those perfected, isolated chapters together for the final critical stage of compilation, the master stitch, slamming your research into one cohesive, flawless document, instantly evaluated. Objective implications and future recommendations generated on command. The methodology to compress months of agonizing labor into a 2-hour window exists right now. Learn the exact prompts, the ethical disclosures, and the secure setup required to wield it. Register for the AI for Researcher Masterclass and secure your ammo drop.